let's unbox Apple's laptop I have got from Sign Off Semiconductors. Let's see what is inside. As you can see, completely packed. Let's go more into the detail. So here it is, very light and slim. You can see very stylish design, like Apple MacBooks. Very light, very catchy look.
You zoom.
And you can see inside as well, Intel Core i3.
It's good processor.
Yeah, we'll use it, then we'll comment more. Thank you.